Welcome to Firefox Privacy Setup.
Protecting your online privacy starts with the right browser settings. In this guide, learn how to customize Firefox for the best privacy and security. Whether you're concerned about tracking, data collection, or just want a safer browsing experience, these must-tweak settings will put you in control of your digital footprint.
Enhanced tracking protection.
Start by enabling Enhanced Tracking Protection. In Firefox's settings under Privacy and Security, set Enhanced Tracking Protection to Strict. This blocks most trackers, cookies, and cryptominers by default. Some sites may break, but your browsing will be more private. Switch to Standard only if you need better site compatibility.
Disable telemetry and data collection.
Firefox collects some technical and interaction data by default. For more privacy, scroll down in Privacy and Security and uncheck options that let Firefox send technical data and crash reports. Disabling these telemetry features prevents Firefox from sending usage statistics or other data to Mozilla.
Control cookies and site data.
Reduce data tracking by controlling cookies. In the Cookies and Site Data section, select Delete Cookies and Site Data when Firefox is closed. You can also manage exceptions for trusted sites. This ensures websites can't track you across sessions, providing an extra layer of privacy.
Strengthen your search privacy.
Switch to a privacy-focused search engine. In the search settings, choose an engine like DuckDuckGo or StartPage. These alternatives do not track your searches or build search histories tied to you, giving you more anonymity for every web query.
Use HTTPS-only mode.
Ensure secure connections by enabling HTTPS-only mode. In Privacy and Security, scroll to the HTTPS-only mode section and turn it on. Firefox will always try to connect to websites using encrypted HTTPS, which helps prevent eavesdropping on your browsing activities.
Consider privacy add-ons.
Enhance Firefox with privacy-focused extensions. Add-ons like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, and Cookie Auto Delete give you extra tools to block trackers and manage cookies. Only install from trusted sources and review permissions for better security.
Final tips for ultimate privacy.
Regularly update Firefox and review your settings. Privacy is an ongoing process, so keep your browser up to date and double-check these settings occasionally. Combine these tweaks for a safer, more private browsing experience every time you use Firefox.